Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study pathology from Robbins. First, always start by reviewing the learning objectives at the beginning of each chapter. This sets your focus. Next, take about 5 to 10 minutes to skim through the entire chapter, paying close attention to headings and subheadings. This initial overview helps you understand the chapter's structure and main themes before diving into the details. When you read, do so actively. Avoid highlighting entire paragraphs. Instead, mark only the most crucial sentences or terms. After reading a section, try to summarize it in your own words, perhaps by creating brief notes or digital flashcards. Remember, Robbins is rich with excellent diagrams and images. Spend time understanding these visuals as they often convey complex information more effectively than text alone. To truly master the material, engage in active recall. After reading, close the book and try to remember what you just learned. You can also draw concept maps, linking diseases to their etiologies, pathogeneses, and morphological features. This helps build a comprehensive understanding. Furthermore, try explaining difficult concepts aloud to an imaginary audience. This process often reveals areas where your understanding is weak. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Dedicate a short period each day to revisit older chapters, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes. Additionally, actively seek out practice questions and clinical case studies. Applying your knowledge to real-world scenarios not only tests your understanding, but also helps you integrate information across different topics, preparing you thoroughly for assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.